aiming at the needs of outdoor material handling, inbound/outbound operations in rack warehouses, as well as material transfer within workshops. Hero Intelligent's customized AMR integration solution for Korean customers, which innovatively integrates outdoor logistics robot plus Forklift AMR plus Jack-up submerged AMR, to build a full-scene intelligent logistics network. All three intelligent devices are equipped with 3D SLAM navigation system. The outdoor logistics robot has a long endurance and large load capacity. It can realize efficient transfer of materials across plants. The Forklift AMR is equipped with 3D obstacle avoidance LiDAR. It can flexibly access and handle indoor materials. The Jack-up submersible AMR can accurately locate and realize automated access to materials. Intelligent scheduling system seamlessly connects all links and covers all logistics nodes, which significantly improves the efficiency and accuracy of warehousing and helps enterprises reduce costs and increase efficiency.